Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Victoria is a small waterfront village on the south shore of Prince Edward Island in Prince County. It is located about 35 kilometers west of Charlottetown and overlooks the Northumberland Strait. With a year-round population of just over 100 residents, Victoria is one of the island's smallest incorporated communities. Despite its size, it is well known for its scenic harbour, historic buildings, and relaxed coastal atmosphere. The area has been home to the Mi'kmaq people for thousands of years. European settlement began during the early 19th century when farming, fishing, and shipbuilding helped establish the community. The village was named after Queen Victoria and gradually developed into a small commercial and fishing centre serving nearby rural communities along the south shore. During the 19th century, Victoria became an active shipbuilding community. Skilled craftsmen built wooden sailing vessels that carried cargo and passengers throughout Atlantic Canada and beyond. As shipbuilding declined with the arrival of larger steel ships, the community gradually shifted its focus toward fishing, farming, and local businesses. The harbour remains an important reminder of Victoria's maritime past. Today, tourism is one of the village's largest industries. Visitors are drawn by the picturesque waterfront, quiet beaches, artisan shops, restaurants, and historic character. Agriculture continues to play an important role throughout the surrounding countryside. Farms in the region produce potatoes, grains, dairy products, and beef cattle. Prince Edward Island's famous red soil supports productive farmland, and the rolling fields surrounding Victoria contribute to the island's reputation as one of Canada's leading agricultural regions. Fishing also remains an important seasonal occupation, particularly lobster fishing in the nearby waters of the Northumberland Strait. Victoria's harbour is one of the village's defining features. Colourful fishing boats, pleasure craft, and small wharves line the waterfront during the warmer months. The sheltered harbour provides beautiful views across the Northumberland Strait and has become a favourite destination for photographers, kayakers, and visitors looking to enjoy a peaceful maritime setting. Victoria is also known for its artistic community. Local galleries, craft studios, and cultural events showcase the work of artists inspired by the island's landscapes and maritime heritage. Throughout the summer, visitors often discover handmade pottery, paintings, woodworking, and other locally produced crafts that reflect the creativity of the region. Housing in Victoria remains more affordable than in many larger Canadian communities, although prices have increased as interest in Prince Edward Island has grown. Average home prices generally range between $350,000 and $500,000, depending on the property's size, age, condition, and proximity to the waterfront. Ocean view homes and historic properties often sell for considerably more. Today, Victoria offers an excellent combination of maritime history, beautiful coastal scenery, and authentic Prince Edward Island hospitality. Whether visitors come to enjoy the harbour, explore the beaches, experience the local arts community, or simply relax by the sea, Victoria remains one of the island's most picturesque villages and a memorable destination along Prince Edward Island's south shore. Thanks for watching!